Hi YouTube.
Hey, two friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today I have another unboxing for you. I have the iPhone 12 Max, iPhone Pro 12 Max. We're gonna open it up today. I've already done unboxing, so you kind of know what's gonna be in here, but we're gonna do a size comparison today, and we're gonna look at it and see how it stacks up against the 11 Pro Max. I'm excited about this because it's the new phone. I got a 12 Pro regular, just as a kind of a standby phone. I did the unboxing for that before, and now we're gonna do the unboxing for the 12 Max just to see how it stacks up against the 11 Pro Max. But that being said, this is what you get. You get a box, you get a phone, and this is in Pacific Blue, so you can see, very nice. And you get a power cable, that's it. No power brick, but luckily I have bricks already. And we're gonna just take it out and see what it looks like. Look at that. Ta-da, nice looking phone. We're gonna do a size comparison now, so let's get at it. All right, so when we look at the 12 Pro Max, and then we look at the 11, they look about the same size. I'm gonna take this out the case so you can see. But they're pretty much the same size in comparison. The only difference is you see that they have aluminum sides on this one and stainless steel on this one, and it's square versus the kind of the rounded edges before. So they're going back to kind of the old style in some respects. So it's kind of a retro phone almost. It's super nice though. I like it. The camera bump in the back is larger, so you can see if you hold them up, it's definitely larger, and that's from the LiDAR sensor that's there at the bottom. There's a LiDAR sensor at the bottom. And for the most part, the build quality is what you expect out of Apple. You're getting super nice workmanship. This one was shipped directly from China, so I ordered it, and then it took about a week to get. So if you're ordering one now, you're gonna see about a lag time of about a week. But other than that, that's about it for the unboxing. I'm not gonna go too much into it because I'm gonna set it up now. But the setup feature, when you turn this on, so as soon as you power it up and you put it near another phone, it's going to, we're gonna do that real quick. Let's power this on. I'm assuming it's not dead, so let's see. Hopefully it's not dead. Yeah, there you go, powered it on for the first time. The way it works, it should be when I put this near my other phone, it should power up, no problem. And then it should ask me, do you want to migrate your data? So I got the hello screen. I'm gonna open this one. Let's close everything. And then it's, you're gonna go hit the hello screen. It's gonna ask you what language you wanna put it in. You can see that. We're gonna go English. And then my region is the United States. And then here on this one, it should give you this screen where it says, oh, oops, cancel. When I put them close together, it did give me a screen about quick starting, but now I don't see that again. So let's close it and open it again. And then here we go. Set up new phone. So we're gonna unlock to continue, and then we're gonna set it up. And then it's gonna give me this kind of bubble screen here. And then when I put the eye thing over it, it should just set it up. What I will say is that because of the phone size, it's a bit awkward doing this. It's gonna ask for me to put my passcode in, and then it should be setting up the other phone. So I'm gonna plug these in because it's gonna transfer all my data over, which is nice. It's a new feature. that they had around since the last software update. But basically it says it's gonna set up my new phone, and then you just keep them close together. I'm gonna put this on a charger, but that's about it for the setup. It's pretty quick. It takes about somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes. But once it does that, everything is gonna be said and done. It's confirming my telephone number, and then it's activating the phone. Now what I'm gonna have to do with this phone is I'm gonna have to pull the SIM card out and use it. But I also have a new T-Mobile SIM card that I can use that came with the pack. And here is the case that I was referring to. You can get it open. Take that off. And then you just open it up, and this is the clear case. This is a MagSafe case, and you'll see that it has the MagSafe logo thing on the back. It's clear, but it has the MagSafe stuff on it. So when you put this on, you'll see where the magnets are. So this is actually the exact outline of the MagSafe magnets on the case. And then of course we have the MagSafe puck that will line up, and then it charges your phone. So that's it. That's it for the accessory parts. Pull that out. And you just put this on your nightstand. Again, no charger, but like I said, luckily I have a charger. So in the case you have a lightning charger, but you want to have this MagSafe charger. So that you can do fast charging. So that's it. That's the unboxing for the iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro Max. You saw that the camera bump is a little bit larger. It doesn't have the rounded sides anymore. It has square sides. And for the most part, it's a nice phone. I'm gonna set it up and we're gonna be good to go. And I'll swap out the SIM. Sometimes you'll find with your carrier, you may be able to swap out the SIM and get 5G right off the bat. If not, just ask your carrier for a new SIM card. They'll send you a new SIM card, and then you're good to go with your new phone upgrade. But for the most part, most of my friends that have changed out phones, they have not seen any significant issues with the 5G performance, but it also depends on what area you live in. So with that, please leave comments down below. Please hit the notification bell so you can see when my new videos come out. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for rocking with me. I really appreciate it. Anyway, subscribe and like below. And we're out.
Subscribe right below.